Good morning, children. This is English video session for class 9. The book which we are doing now is Beehive, unit number 1. The name of the unit is The Fun They Had. We have come to the question answer part, Roman letter 3, answer in about 30 words. We'll start with the question number 5. What had once happened to Tommy's teacher? Actually, what happened, you remember? It was blanked out completely. You have to write once the history sector. It is not teacher, you have to write it as sector. SATTOR of Tommy's teacher. History sector of Tommy's teacher had blanked out. BLANKED, blanked out completely. Have you all written the answers till this? Yes, now we will go to the next question. 6th, did Margie have regular days and hours for school? If so, why? Did she have? Tell me the answer, children. Yes, Margie had regular class and school hours. Why? Because her mother believed that learning at regular hours helped little girls learn better. Is it not? Yes. And what happened to her mechanical teacher? Her mechanical teacher was also always on time, every day except for Saturdays and Sunday. So Saturday, Sunday she will not have classes. The remaining days all she will be regular to her classes because her mother insisted that regular hours helped girls to learn better. Okay. Now next, how does Tommy describe the old kind of school? Tommy describes the old kind of school as a special building. Please make a note. Where all kids studied together. What happened? They all studied together. How many? There were hundreds and hundreds of students. Okay. There were hundreds and hundreds of students. All came and they all studied and played together. What did they do? They came to the building, they studied and played together. Okay? Yes. And they used to shout and laugh in the courtyard, open yard. There was open yard. They used to shout. See what you are doing, that only you have to do. What do you do in the school? That only you have to write. Like, so special building. The first point is special building. Okay. The first point is special building, that is called school. What happened in that place? All the children come together. Okay. And they study and play together. What do? They study, they play together. Then what do? They used to shout, laugh, have fun, and in the open yard. Where? In the open yard. Okay. How does he describe, question number 8, how does he describe the old kind of teacher? According to Tommy, the old kind of teacher were human beings. Okay. Who taught the students in the special building. What is the special building called? School. The teachers taught the children in groups. Here the teachers gave them homework, asked them some questions. This is the way in which Tommy has understood what is a school from the book diary which he took it from the real book which belongs to the great grandfather's, okay, which he took from the attic. So again I shall repeat it. How does he describe the old kind of teachers? According to Tommy, the old kind of teachers were human beings and they taught the students inside a special building. What is the special building called? School. Okay. What did the teachers teach? They taught the children in groups. What did they do? They gave homework, they asked questions. Clear? Yes. What are the main features of the mechanical teacher and the school rooms that Margie and Tommy have in the story? It's a different. What kind of teachers? See, mechanical teacher and the classroom that Margie and Tommy have in the story. Margie and Tommy had mechanical teachers in the school. They do not have separate building for their school. Is there a separate building, children? No. The next room to the bedroom is only the school room for them. Okay. Their teachers are in fact who? Robotic teachers. Okay. They have sectors of different subjects having set text, speed and level. They have sectors of different subjects. Okay. They have text, they have speed, they have level. The mechanical teacher have big screen showing lessons and test papers. There is a slot where each child has to put his homework, test assignments for evaluation. The teachers could evaluate the assignments in no time. They could tell you how the child was performing but could never tell why the child was performing badly. They will do the evaluation, okay, but they will not able to tell why they were not able to perform badly. Okay. Why did Margie hate school? Why did she think that the old school should have been must have been fun? Margie did not like her school. Why? The room next to her bedroom is her school room, where a robotic teacher used to teach her every day at a fixed time. She did not like taking tests every day. The robotic teacher was giving her tests in geography and her performance was worsening day by day. She learnt about the old school from the book. Okay, she learned that the old schools were located in spacious building called schools. All the children and the neighborhood used to go there and together they laughed, shouted, played together. They learned the same thing and could help one another in their homework. She thought that these schools must have been fun. Okay, she thought that these schools must have been fun. Okay, yes. Do you agree with Margie that the schools of today are more fun than the schools in the story? Give reasons. Okay. Look at the question, page number 11, third question. Do you agree that Margie, that schools today are more fun than the schools in the story? Give reasons. Do you agree, children? Yes. So you write, I agree with Margie. In the story, there is no school as such, is it not? The room next to the bedroom is the school room for them. They are taught by mechanical teachers. There are no human feelings. Everybody is monotonous. The child has to complete its homework, put it in the slot, meant for it in the mission. But in the schools today, there are spacious buildings where all of us from the neighborhood go together. They are taught by human teachers. They study and play together. They learn the same thing so that they can help one another in the homework. Okay. Now see the next one, children. Thinking about language. Yes. Read the sentences. Please read it. They had once taken. Yes. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month because the history sector has been and because the history sector had blanked out completely. See what is required here? The word complete is an adjective. Complete, completely. Yes, see? Add ly to it. It becomes an adverb. Is it not? Find the sentence in the lesson. Okay, now awfully, sorrowfully, completely, loftily, carefully, differently, quickly, nonchalantly. Let's see how we can put it. Yes, the report must be read carefully. Can you write the answer? Carefully. Yes. Okay. So that the performance could be improved. At this question number 2, at the interview, Samir answered our questions loftily, Loftily. Can you write? Shrugging his shoulders. We all have differently, we all behave differently, Differently, when we are tired or hungry. The teacher shook her head sorrowfully. Sorrowfully, when Ravi lied to her. Next, 5th. I completely forgot about it. Completely. Completely. Completely forgot about it. Now, 6th. When I complimented Revati on her success, she just smiled nonchalantly and turned away. Okay. The president of the company is awfully busy. Okay. And will not be able to meet you. I finished my homework quickly. Okay. So that I can move to play. Now we have to describe an adverb describing action. Why? What is that why? Angrily. Let's see how it is working. Some of the adverbs make adverbs from these adjectives. Okay, angry, angrily. Happy, happily. Okay, merry, merrily. Merrily. Sleepy, sleepily. Sleepily. Easy, easily. Noisy, noisily. 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 Okay, tidy, tidily. Tidily. Groomy, groomily. Groomily. Complete the following conditionals with if. Okay. Please read it. If conditionals. Sit down. Can you read it? Imagine that Margie's mother told you, feel awfully if you don't finish your history lesson. You will feel awful unless you finish your history lesson. If not. Okay. So unless, if, usage of unless and if. Go down, you can see there, see. If I don't go to Anu's party today, comma, she will be angry. Completed. If you don't telephone the hotel to order food, you will miss your evening meal. Unless you promise to write back, I will not write to you. If she doesn't play any games, she will become a dull and lazy girl. Unless the little bird flies away quickly, the cat will pounce on it. Okay. With this, I stop, children. Please write the answers and come to the next class. Okay. Please finish it off then and there. Okay. Don't keep pending. With this, I stop. Thank you.